guys, it's Marissa. Welcome back. I'm excited to be doing a sit down video with you guys today. Although I do hope you've been enjoying the lifestyle content. So I'm going to straighten my hair today, but first I'm going to blow my hair out. So I've been watching silk press videos to see how to perfect my technique because I still haven't gotten it quite where I want it to be. And I've been seeing a lot of naturals using like round brush blow dryers. So of course I had to go pick one up. So I got the Revlon One Step Volumizer, blow dryer, whatever it's called. I'll put the correct title in the description and in the title. So I'm gonna see if this helps me because you know the blowout is the foundation to a silk press and I can't do it. But this was the brush or the blow dryer that I saw most naturals using whose texture was similar to mine. So we're about to demo it out. I've already washed my hair. It's clean. It's still dripping wet. So we're going to put this bad boy to the test, okay? So if you want to see the results of this, of course, just keep watching. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of heat protectant spray. I'm going to use my Silk Elements heat protectant spray that I pretty much always use. A little goes a long way with this stuff, so don't spray a lot. It will weigh your hair down. I have a couple of hair clips. I'm just going to clip my hair up into smaller sections.
Hey.
So there's a cool setting, a low setting, and a high setting on this blow dryer. I think I'm either gonna stick with either low or high. Probably just high. When I use heat, I just go for it, you guys. So in some of the demos I watched, they said that there was really no need to detangle your hair before using this, but I did go ahead and lightly detangle anyway with my wide tooth comb just because I don't want to do that. So we'll see. There's different type of bristles on here, so I don't know if you can see like there's the hard bristles in there that I guess really grip your hair and smooth it.
Hey. Yo. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving.
Well, I will say that it gets the section dry pretty quickly. I'm having a hard time trying to figure out the like hand-eye coordination with this, but that's to be expected because I'm doing something new. So I'm just gonna continue through my head and see what kind of result it gives me. I don't know, it's still looking a little poofy, but I'm gonna go over this section a few more times and see if I can get it to look more like how I want it to. And this was on the low setting, so I am gonna turn it up to high and see what difference that makes and go through my head.
Your fame away, what's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one, and that is the only two. Man, how many times have I shown and proved? Man, how many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, yeah, I got one Louis, got one in that bed, the only two. And how many times have I told you the truth? And how many nights I've been woke, forming them potholes. Not trying to fuck up no bills or fuck up the deals. I'm posting this stop home, the speed of house and the twins.
All right, y'all, so it's been about 15 minutes. I'm almost halfway through my head, but this was just to stop and say, if you were thinking about getting one, go get it, because I can never ever get my hair this straight with the blow dryer on my own. So I just don't see myself using anything other than this when my goal is to straighten my hair. Like, look at this. If I can find footage from like my last silk press video, I will insert it so y'all can see what I'm normally working with after I blow dry my hair. I normally have a fro. Like, I can actually, you know, see my length blow drying my hair with this. So yeah, best investment. I can't remember how much I spent on this. I want to say it was like around $40. Whatever it was worth it. It was worth it. Go get you one. So I've been doing my hair on the highest setting. I've been using I would say small to medium size sections. It is still a little poofy at the roots. I probably could move a little slower and take, you know, more time with this, but I do have somewhere that I have to be in like an hour and a half, so I'm trying to hurry up and speed through this, but this was definitely worth it. The naturals on YouTube did not lie to us, okay? So I will, you know, get back to this and I'll talk to you guys at the end on my final thoughts on this blow dryer. But baby, I love it. I love it.
It's only the real. I'm moving way too humble. Busy and handed it off. I still got no fumbles. I'm on a high 100. This one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in no pan, a million in chocolate chips. And that's just how my cookie crumbled. I put a skirt on a whip and a crown on a 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Hey, yeah, but I guess they want any reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your flame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the belly, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah.
Okay, y'all, when I tell y'all that this is like the easiest and quickest blowout that I've ever done and it looks good, I would have never been able to do this without this. I just don't have the skill set. I can run my fingers through my hair. It probably takes about, I would say, 3 good strokes down the section of hair before it's pretty much dry. And I concentrated a little more heat on it because I do plan to straighten my hair. So I wanted to get it as straight as possible as I could with this brush. I probably could have used smaller sections or been a little more precise. I think a lot of that will come with practice. It was kind of hard for me at first with the hand-eye coordination of this. It is kind of bulky, but overall, I am excited. This is like the best thing I bought in a while. And I just don't know why I didn't have one sooner. I had to stop halfway through my hair to call my friend and tell her to go pick her up one too, okay? So, definitely let me know down in the comments if you will be picking this up or if you already have it. I don't know if I would use this without detangling my hair. I do have a decent amount of hair that's in the bristles of this. I didn't have any issue actually getting the brush through my hair. I guess because of the alternating bristles, it did really good with, you know, grabbing each strand of hair. I never felt like I had to like tug or yank or pull at my hair. This does get super hot. On the high temperature setting, I had to kind of turn it down once I got around my ears because I found that it was burning me. I didn't have a hard time holding it by the tip though. You can hold it here when you're working your way through your hair, or you can just hold both ends here. I was more comfortable holding it this way. I did see some complaints about this being too hot. I didn't really have that issue using it. Overall, like I said, this is a keeper. I won't be using anything else to straighten my hair but this. I'm just so excited to see that this brush works, and not only does it work, but it works on kinky textured hair like mine. So guys, this is definitely type 4 hair approved. So don't be scared that it won't work on your texture. It will. So that pretty much wraps up all my thoughts on this. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and the bell so that you never miss uploads from me. And I will see you guys in my next one. Stay tuned to see how my silk press turns out, because I will be recording that as well. So I'll see you guys there. Bye.